For making motivational videos or quotational videos, first of all, we have to get the idea to create the videos. So I am going to the chat GPT to get the idea. After logging in chat GPT, I would like to tell the chat GPT what type of topics I need, and after that I can go with the text to AI video generator to generate the video. After writing your prompt to the chat GPT, you can also copy my prompt from the description. As you saw that it gives me 10 topics that I am going to give to the text to AI video tool to make the video. So I am going to pick up from one, turning failure to success. I am going to copy this prompt. Now we are going to use Flicky AI to make the text to video. It's free and you can also generate unlimited videos. Some features are paid, but I am going through with the free. So okay. After creating your account, you have to log in with your Google account, and after that you can create videos. Here is some type of things that you need to tell. I am clicking on content view YouTube, and here is you can saw the interface of this type of AI tool. Now what is we are going to do is that we have to click on, now you have to click on video generator. So I am going to giving to the idea. Here is I am pasting my prompt. After pasting our prompt, we have to tell what duration of videos I want. I am clicking for 1 minute. You can also go with the almost 12 minutes, but if you are going with the greater than the 1 minute, you have to pay or you have to upgrade. But I am going through with the 1 minute. You can generate unlimited videos with 1 minute, and after that you can collab all the clips. Okay, so after creating, you have to click on next, and after that we have to select the landscape or a scale or a portrait, which type of aspect ratio that you want. I am going to make the video for YouTube, so I am selecting 16:9. After doing that, you have to click on skip, and after that you have to tell which type of language you want to make the video. I am going to make the for a motivational, and I have to make for motivation and for young adults. After doing that, you have to click on next, and here is it's generating our script. You don't need to generate your script, just you have to tell the idea and it create your video. Okay, so after that you have to click on next, and now you have to select on stock media AI voiceover. You can also change your AI voice artist, but mostly are paid, and some are free, so you have to go through with the free, or you can also go with the paid. But I'm now going with the free AI voiceover generator. It's called Maya. You can also change your another one like that copper. After selecting copper, I'm going to submit. After submitting, you have to wait for some time to generate your video. Here is our video generating. So after generating our video, I shall tell it to you. So as you saw that it created our video scene by scene. You can also change your prompt or video from doing this picture, or you have to click on this to edit your video also. So here is our video that is generated. So we have to check the video.
Turning failure into success. Ever feel like you're stuck in a loop of setbacks?
I shall tell it to you after downloading. So I have to click on download to download the video. After downloading, I shall tell you how can you check the review. Okay, it's our processing. After processing, I shall show you the review of complete whole video. For removing the watermark from the video, you have to write on Google video watermark remover. Here is the first website or the second website that you can use to remove the watermark from the video.
Turning failure into success. Ever feel like you're stuck in a loop of setbacks? What if I told you failure isn't the end, but a powerful launch pad? We often see success as a straight line, but the reality is messy. Everyone stumbles. Everyone faces rejection. It's not about avoiding failure. It's about how you respond to it. Think of failure as feedback. Each mistake is a lesson in disguise, showing you what doesn't work and guiding you towards what does. Analyze your missteps, adjust your approach, and try again. Did you know that J.K. Rowling was rejected by numerous publishers before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon, or that Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team? These stories prove that resilience is key. Don't let fear of failure paralyze you. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. Your journey to success will be paved with lessons learned from every stumble. Ready to turn your setbacks into stepping stones? Share your biggest learning from a past failure in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to keep growing and achieving our dreams.